Welcome back to Culture and Code, the podcast where humans pretend we're still the ones in charge of technology. I'm your host, Nina Arora Rowland.
And I'm your co-host, Rayfield Johnson Jr. Were we ever really in charge of technology, Uh, I'll say I, for one, am welcoming the change of being less in charge and bringing whatever comes our way to the industry.
Honestly, if AI wants to negotiate with my HOA for me, have at it.
HOA suck.
Yes, they
Completely
do.
agree with you. We're kicking off part one of a two-part episode. Today, we're talking about something that everybody is focused on. What happens to tech careers when AI starts doing the easy engineering task?
Spoiler alert, your job isn't disappearing. It's just evolving, like Pokemon, but with more meetings.
Pokemon. What's a Pokemon, Nina?
Google.
Google. Google and let us know at hashtag culture and code podcast. All right. In all seriousness, let's start here. AI is definitely taking on and optimizing a number of repetitive engineering tasks, like writing boilerplate code, spitting out unit tests, and generating templates.
Basically, all the stuff junior developers used to do. Somewhere out there, a developer just got chills and doesn't know why.
Why don't you like junior developers, Nina?
I love junior developers. They're inspiring.
All right, cool. Just trying to make sure. But the core parts of engineering is like, system design, solving ambiguous problems, understanding business context. Those are still very human and require the human in the loop to thoughtfully enable decisions.
Exactly. AI is great at do this. It's not so great at decide what we should do and why the CFO is glaring at us. AI is not good at managing its budget. My husband would say, kind of like when I go shopping. But seriously, AI is really good at performing tasks, but not necessarily at doing them efficiently.
Yeah, you need to think of AI as your very fast but slightly unhinged coworker. Amazing productivity, zero ability to read the room, as you stated, right? Guidance is very much required.
And here's the fun twist. AI isn't just automating work, it's inventing new jobs at the same time.
Yeah, we're seeing new roles come up, right? Like AI behavior specialists, AI orchestrator, synthetic data engineers, and AI ethicists are some of the things I've read recently. Nina, what is a synthetic data engineer?
Synthetic data engineering sounds a lot like test data management. Look at my profile.
Yeah.
All these roles sound great. Honestly, they kind of sound like a character class from a futuristic Dungeons and Dragons campaign.
Yeah, enter the need for responsible model governance and the evolution of COEs.
Responsible model governance. To me, that feels like the evolved version of data governance and where that's headed.
All right, I completely agree. In the immediate future, we see things like there's going to be a true focus and need for hybrid roles, right? Not completely AI, but maybe AI plus cybersecurity, AI plus UX, AI plus product strategy, even AI plus data engineers.
Yeah, basically pick a specialty, then sprinkle AI on top like tech flavored masala.
Yeah, I agree. What's masala again?
Combination of spices.
I thought you
Yum
were,
yums.
thought you were going to say Google it, and we just keep saying that throughout the entire podcast.
Google it.
This is not endorsed by Google. All right, here's where careers really shift. Engineers won't be judged by how much code they write. It'll be about whether they design the right system and whether it's safe, reliable, and aligned to the business.
It's architecture over syntax, strategy over typing speed.
Yeah. And debugging AI generated code that looks like it was written by Shakespeare after a few drinks of whiskey.
Forsooth, no pointer exception.
It gets funnier every time I hear you say Shakespeare stuff. All right, we're evolving from a mindset of I built this by hand to I orchestrated a smart system that built itself, and not just a productivity assistant, living systems with daily tasks.
Which honestly is a way more effective use of technical skills and actually brings creativity and critical thinking back to engineering.
Completely agree. I think that creativity is required and is needed.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Now let's talk soft skills because they're becoming the hardest skills.
Yeah, that's deep. We should put that on a t-shirt, hashtag culture and code t-shirt design.
But it's true. I'll get right on that. AI can generate code, but it can't negotiate a roadmap or moderate a design review where everyone's silently judging each other's Jira or DevOps tickets.
Now we have HOA sucks and Jira suck. All right. Leadership, communication, creativity. Those are things that AI is not currently focused on replacing.
Yet.
I said currently, so Nina, stop that.
I'm kidding. Mostly.
All right, it's time for our Marvel quote. We really didn't do a quote at the beginning of this episode, did we?
Nope.
Um, we always have a weekly reminder, and we try to emphasize that superheroes are just engineers with better budgets.
Today's quote comes from the one and only James Rhodes, Rhodey, in Avengers Endgame. He says, "We work with what we got, right?"
That is exactly the energy of modern tech careers. AI may be rewriting the rules, shifting jobs around, and occasionally hallucinating entire Kubernetes clusters, but
At the end of the day, we adapt, we iterate, we pivot. We work with what we've got, whether that's a junior engineer, a half-baked prompt, or a model that suddenly refuses to do the math.
honestly, that line should also be printed not on a t-shirt, but on maybe a engineer laptop sticker. Can you get on that too, Nina?
I'm on it.
You got so much work to do after this podcast. It's
I'm
crazy.
telling
And this is
you.
just part one. Part two, you're gonna have like, I don't know, AI to help you do all this tasking when I'm gonna put towards
I'm
your way.
telling you.
All right. AI isn't just replacing engineers, though, right? It's replacing overly repetitive parts of engineering.
Yeah, and more interesting, the work is going to get more interesting. It's going to be more strategic, a little chaotic, and way more human than people think.
Is that what you think is the future for tech careers?
I do. I
Yeah,
do.
yeah. Well, I would say that I agree with you. I think the chaos will probably start and then it'll get to a norm, right? And our
Yeah.
our tech careers in AI will continue evolving, especially for those who are, like you said, junior developers who are doing a
Yeah.
specific task, right?
Yeah.
Um,
Honestly, it's a cause for celebration. I mean, if that isn't, I don't know what is.
Completely agree. Well, I think that's enough for part one. Again, we got t-shirts being made, we got stickers being made. Thank you, Nina, for jumping on that.
Mm.
But seriously, thanks for hanging out with us. For all of our listeners, we appreciate you, commenting, listening, and kind of helping us get better. Culture and code. Well, I guess hashtag culture and code podcast. Let us know what you're thinking.
Go forth, experiment with AI tools, build cool things, and remember, you're still smarter than your autocomplete.
Yeah, completely smarter than autocomplete, but not Clippy. No one is smarter than Clippy, and if you don't know Clippy, Google it.
Google it. Until next time.
All right. Thank you. Bye.